खूबसूरत नज़ारे जहां पहाड़ों के मिलते हैं, तो वहीं आबशारें जो हैं यहाँ आने वालों की तवज्जो अपनी तरफ मरकूज़ करती हैं। इस वक्त मैं बाटाकुंडी शहर में मौजूद हूँ और यहाँ पर भी हम देख सकते हैं कि आबशारें, यहाँ पर मैं एक आबशार नेचुरल वाटरफॉल है ये, बिल्कुल उसके अगर पे आप देख सकते हैं कि ग्लेशियर है जिसपे स्नोफॉल जो है वो हुई हुई है, पहाड़ों पे यहाँ स्नोफॉल हुई हुई है। खूबसूरत नज़ारे हैं, बड़ी तादाद में सयाह आ रहे हैं और इस खूबसूरत व्यू को एंजॉय कर रहे हैं। और वेदर की अगर बात कर ली जाए, जहाँ पूरे पाकिस्तान में वेदर 35-40 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड है, तो वहीं नारान और कागान के वेदर की बात की जाए, स्पेशली नारान के वेदर की बात की जाए, तो इस वक्त यहाँ पे 7 से 8 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड टेम्परेचर जा रहा है और लग रहा है ऐसा रहा है कि जैसे विंटर्स हो। इवन कि जब धूप भी निकलती है तो वो आपको चुभती धूप नहीं होती है, बल्कि लोग इस धूप को भी इंजॉय करते हैं। सुबह से बारिश हो रही थी, लेकिन अब बादलों की और सूरज की आंख मचोली जारी है। बड़ा ही खूबसूरत वेदर है, नज़ारे बहुत खूबसूरत हैं और बहुत ही सयाह जो यहाँ आके इंजॉय कर रहे हैं, बड़ा पॉजिटिव रिस्पॉन्स देते हुए दिखाई दे रहे हैं। आप देख भी सकते हैं कि कितना खूबसूरत व्यू है, बैक साइड पे पहाड़ों का बहुत खूबसूरत व्यू है, तो बहुत ही खूबसूरत नज़ारे हैं।
And exhilarating news for the daily commuters and overall operators, as the government of Pakistan, under the direction of Prime Minister of Pakistan, has restored the general speed limit of both the heavy transport vehicles and the light transport vehicles on national motorways and highways. Yes, the government of Pakistan, under the supervision of Prime Minister of Pakistan, in March 2026 had reduced the general speed limits on motorways and national highways for both the heavy transport vehicles, the public service vehicles and the light transport vehicles. But why? In actuality, the February conflict of the United States of America and the State of Israel against the Islamic Republic of Iran resulted into a complete shutdown and blockade of the Strait of Hormuz. The same Strait of Hormuz, which is a critical choke point and serves as a trading route for nearly 1/5 of the global oil. And guess what? The fuel prices skyrocketed as the fuel supplies were interrupted. And to tackle these situations and these crises, the Pakistani government, particularly in March 2026, had adopted some austerity measures, which notably also included the reduction of the speed limits of the heavy transport vehicles and the light transport vehicles on motorways and national highways. But now, when upon the critical mediation of the leadership of Pakistan, the United States of America and the Islamic Republic of Iran had signed a memorandum of understanding, these austerity measures needed to be lifted up. And yes, the government of Pakistan, more and more particularly the Prime Minister of Pakistan, has restored the general speed limits for heavy transport vehicles and for the light transport vehicles. Importantly and finally, the retrieval from the austerity measures has resulted into the restoration of the general speed limit. So as far as the light transport vehicles and more particularly the cars are concerned, now they would have the liberty to drive at 120 km per hour on motorways and 100 km per hour on national highways of Pakistan. Similarly, the public service vehicles, the heavy transport vehicles, the buses and the long trailers would be directed to maintain a speed of 110 km per hour on national motorways, while 90 km per hour would be the ultimate speed limit for these heavy transport vehicles on national highways of Pakistan. The general public, the stakeholders and the relevant people who are involved in these daily commutations and operations and logistics, they have embraced and they have welcomed this new decision from the government of Pakistan, as it is going to enhance the logistics and the operations in all the public and private sector.